How to pay for a new HVAC system. When your heating and cooling equipment finally calls it quits, the cost of a brand new air conditioning unit can cause a bit of sticker shock for any homeowner. With a new HVAC system costing anywhere from $5,000 to $12,000, Carolina Comfort Air knows the average family cannot pay for such a significant investment out of pocket. As Southeastern North Carolina's trusted heating and cooling professionals, we offer various financing options, local rebates, a referral rewards program, and the energy-saving features of Trane heating and cooling equipment. A new HVAC system may even save your household money over time. With competitive rates, affordable monthly payments, and financing solutions for all credit levels, you'll enjoy the comfort of home without breaking the bank. Carolina Comfort Air customers may also earn up to $200 with our referral rewards program. Go to www.carolinacomfortair.com to learn more.